Grind time na ulit. Super busy sa office, as usual. Deadlines here, meetings there. Nakakaloka. But you know what? Kahit super stress ako, I still wanted to share a glimpse of my day with you guys. Kasi, even when things get hectic, it's important to remember why we do what we do, right? So join me as I navigate another crazy work week.
Audit nyo. Like this one, related to FSSC 22,000 version 6, where we discuss the different requirements, yung dagdag dun sa requirements na halimbawa ng version 6, inisa-isa halos natin yung requirement ng additional requirements kasi yun yung major change doon sa version 6. Naintindihan po? Ha? Bakit hindi na din-discuss yung ISO 22? Hindi naman po to implementation, no?
My job isn't just about paperwork and policies. It's about empowering people, helping them grow, and building a better work environment. In this video, I'm in a Zoom seminar, learning more about the latest trend in handling the organization as HR. Kasi in this ever-changing world, you have to keep learning, keep growing. Hindi pwedeng magstay lang sa kung ano ang alam mo.
Requirement is the context of or yung knowledge po ng skills ng auditor to understand ano po yung organization. So dapat at least alam niya po kung ano yung nature ng organization, ano po yung mga needs and expectation ng interested parties, no?
Sometimes, you get tired. You feel like sawa ka na. The long hours, the pressure, nakakapagod. But then you remember kung bakit ka nagpursige. Your family, for your dreams, and for a better future. Kailangan magtrabaho para sa kinabukasan, para sa pamilya, para sa sarili, of course. And that's what keeps you going. That fire inside you, it keeps burning. But you know what's more important? It's recognizing your own value. Kahit gaano ka pa ka-busy, kahit gaano ka pa ka-stress, you are important. Your work is valuable. Your contributions matter. Huwag mong kalimutan yan. Don't let anyone make you feel otherwise. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself. Kaya mo yan.
We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now.
After a long day at work, it's time mag-grocery. Kailangan din nating alagaan ang ating mga sarili, especially for those of us working here in Metro Manila, far from our families. Alam ko ang pakiramdam, the longing for home, the homesickness, the sacrifices we make. Mahirap, we work hard here, sending money back home, trying to build a better life para sa mga magulang natin, para sa mga kapatid natin, para sa ating kinabukasan.
All of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting. Tell me now.
Minsan naisip ko, ang layo ko na sa probinsya. But then I remember, Ito ang choice ko. Kailangan kong magtrabaho para sa pamilya ko. Kailangan kong magsumikap para sa sarili ko. And I know deep down that they are proud of me. Kahit mahirap, lalaban pa rin. So, that's a glimpse of my busy week. Sana na-inspire kayo kahit konti. Remember, kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, huwag tayong susuko.
Even when the sun don't shine, even when the
Huwag nating kalimutan ang ating mga pangarap. Laban lang. Kaya natin to. And most importantly, huwag mong kalimutan ang iyong sarili. You are loved. You are valued. You are important. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. See you in my next vlog.